Welcome to Brain Vision.
So what is the period of the pendulum? So we have L equaling 47 centimeters or 0.47 meters. And the period of a pendulum on Earth is simply 2 pi times the length of the pendulum divided by gravity. So this will simply be 2 pi times 0.47 divided by 9.8. And this is going to be equal to 1.4 seconds. Now, for part B, they're asking us for the period if the pendulum is in a free-falling elevator. If the pendulum is in free fall, there is no tension supporting the string. So if there's no tension supporting the string, the pendulum doesn't bob, and there's no restoring force to cause the oscillations of the pendulum. So again, if the pendulum is in free fall, the pendulum in free fall does not oscillate. And we can say, therefore, there is no period. Because again, it's in free fall. There's no restoring force to cause oscillations, therefore there is no period. And then this will be t equals 1.4 seconds. This will be your answer for part A. And that is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.